All right, I got this silver nail polish. It's supposed to be a cat eye nail polish, which means you can use a little magnet to move the sparkles around. I will say I am not good at moving the sparkles around. I tried to do like either side and get the sparkles in the middle. I'm not great at that. But this is the second cat eye magnetic nail polish that I've bought. And this one is a way thinner formula, which is, it's a lot easier to do a thinner formula. It's called Double Rhythm. The nail polish bottle also is really pretty, but I mean, that's not important. But this is like the prettiest nail polish bottle I've ever gotten. It's definitely just like a silvery sparkle, very thin nail polish, so you can put on several thin coats, but this is just literally one coat and a top coat, so also a lot of glitter in this. I can only imagine how sparkly it would be with 2 or 3 coats, but I was going for kind of a sheer tint. Again, it is magnetic, but I'm not good at using the magnets on these. I need to get better at that. This is what the magnet looks like. Obviously, it's not going to move the nail polish once you've cured it. So you use the magnet before you cure it. But yeah. If you have more than one magnet, I feel like it works better as a wand. Easier to hold. But yeah, I did like how easily it went on. And I like how sparkly it is. This is definitely a neutral sparkle. It's just pretty much silvery sparkles. There's no color in this one. But even though I'm not good with the magnet, I will say it does give some depth to it and some kind of holographic effects. So if you're looking for a very sparkly cat eye polish that also is very thin, you do need a UV lamp. This is gel polish that uses a UV lamp. This might be what you're looking for. I hope this helps you know if it's something you'd like to buy. And yeah, pretty bottle.